Meet the students of Ignite Academy, a transformative program empowering youth in San Diego. Here, they gain hands-on technical training, mentorship, and real-world skills in the automotive industry. But this isn't just a classroom. It's a launch pad for their dreams. These students have poured their hearts into building this Nissan 370Z, and now they're gearing up for the ultimate test, tracking at the world-renowned WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca. Known for its thrilling 2.238-mile track and the legendary corkscrew turn, Laguna Seca is where champions are made, but they need your help to get there.
It's been really exciting. We've been sanding it. I've done a lot with this race car. I helped put the roll cage in, I've helped de-gut it, and we even helped create the paint. So it's been a very long but satisfying journey.
To be able to do a lot of hands-on stuff that honestly isn't really available to do elsewhere is just an amazing opportunity.
I've always had a big interest in cars and racing and performance and all that. I just didn't have the means to learn about it or just know anything in general. So I think it was a big opportunity and I couldn't pass it up.
Just looking forward, I can't wait to see how it looks on the racetrack and what other projects Ignite can do in the future.
Race day at Laguna Seca comes with a cost. Travel, equipment, and safety gear, that's where you come in. You have the power to fuel their journey. Your donation to the San Diego Automotive Museum will fund their race day at Laguna Seca, empowering these students to chase their dreams and drive into a brighter future. Together, let's fuel their drive and speed towards limitless possibility. Your support makes their race day possible. Thank you for joining their journey.